Good evening, sir. Muli niya akong problem solving sa module 3, sir. Muli niya akong problem. Calculate the force per unit length between two parallel wires carrying currents in the same direction. Given, currents I1 equal to 3 amperes and I2 equal to 5 amperes. Distance between the wires or the radius is 0.02 meters, and permeability of space in O is equal to 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7 T times NA. So, atong gamito na formula, sir, is the force per unit length F between two parallel wires is given by F is equal to I1, I2 all over 2 pi D. O, substitute na to sila sa atong mga given sa atong formula, which is kani. So, 4 pi times 10 to the power negative 7 times 3 times 5, which is I1 and I2. Then 2 pi times 0.2, which is atong diameter. And atong simplify, and we get 6 times 10 to the power negative 6 all over 0.02. And ang atong final answer, sir, is ang atong force per unit length is equal to 3 times 10 to the power negative 4 N over M. And that's all, sir.